Hello guys, it's Estin the Quickest here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to compress large video files on your phone without losing any quality. So first of all, this is a video I want to use. Okay, so I'm going to tap on the three dots over here and I go to file info, to find out the information about the file. And this is a video from my other tutorial. You can check it out. As you can see, this video's file size is 238 megabytes. All right, and it's a 2-minute video. So in this video I'm going to compress it to a much smaller file size. All right, if you're using an Android phone, head over to Google Play Store. All right, if you don't know how to download apps safely on your phone, make sure you check out this other tutorial. So I'm going to search for Handbrake. So this is the Handbrake app over here. You can see this one. That's the app. All right, so that's it. This is a Handbrake file to download. All right, but since I've already downloaded it, so I'm gonna open the Handbrake application. As you can see, I've already downloaded it, so I'm gonna open it. And mind you, this app doesn't use any internet connection. All right, it does not require any internet connection. All you need to do is to tap on new project. As you can see, these are other videos I've compressed already, but I'm going to tap on new project. All right, so over here you're going to select the video file you want to compress. For me, I'm going to select one of them. All right, as you can see, this is that same video I want to compress, and the file size is 226 megabytes. Okay, it seems like it has reduced over here, but there's no problem. As you can see, it's over 200 megabytes. So all I'm going to do is I tap on compress video, this one. All right, so over here I tap on the first one, which is high quality, right? Best video quality with little compression. All right, so after that, you can see we have other options over here. We have all of these. You can try them out, but for me, I always use the first one. All right, but it's good to experiment and discover new stuff. I select the first one and tap on compress now. So it's going to take about a while to compress, and we're going to wait for it. So for the sake of this video, I don't want it to be too longer, so I'm going to skip this process. When it's done, I'm going to come back to the video. Okay guys, it's almost done. We are at 96, and while you're compressing it, please keep the app open. All right, keep the app open so you can see it's almost done. Let's just wait a little. Voila, it's done. All right, it says video is ready. Video is ready. Just saved you 216.85 megabytes. So it doesn't mean that it has compressed and left over 216 megabytes. It means that out of the 226 megabytes that we had before, this is what it has compressed out. All right, so first of all, you can tap on share video or open in gallery. But as you can see, this thing is checked over here. Video is directly already saved in your gallery. All right, so if you want to be sure again, you have to just tap on share video. All right, so to save it again, but automatically it is saved already. So after that, we're gonna go and check again to confirm if the quality is still okay and everything about the compression as well. All right, here is it over here. It has been done 4 minutes ago. As you can see, it has renamed into HB underscore. That means HB means stand for Handbrake. All right, so that's the same video. So we're going to play it and see if it has the same quality. All right, so as you can see, it compresses it from 220 something megabytes to 10 megabytes. Can you imagine that? All right, so let's tap it and check it out. As you can see, the quality is still the same. As you can see, the quality is still the same. All right, so let's come here again on the three dots, tap on file information. As you can see, the file size is now 10.16 megabytes. All right, so if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, most importantly share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. Adios.